Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss about human population and the advancement in communication system. So birds also communicate with each other. The need for communication is quite inherent in all creatures in the nature. The sweet noises of cuckoo and peacock are their means of communication itself. Even the fishes like dolphins are found to communicate with each other, transmitting audible squeaks and clicks. Communication is the basic process of exchanging informations with each other. It is what human beings do to convey their thoughts, ideas, and feelings to one another. According to John Combe, communication is at the very core of our society. That's what makes us human. See here. At the start, the man was single, who has reached on the earth. Then slowly and gradually there was increase in population, also growth in communication system, and man became social as well as single again due to advancement in new technologies. In the year 1500, the world population was 0.5 billion and homing pigeons were used for delivering messages. It seems quite interesting, isn't it? But birds will work with their own speed, climatic conditions, and why they will bother about time limitations in human life. So it became very cumbersome to communicate through birds. In 1835, there was invention of telegraph by Samuel Morse and Charles Wheatstone. It resulted in tremendous growth of message through post offices and reduced physical travel of messengers considerably. At this time, the population of world was 1.2 billion approximately, and people used to wait for postman eagerly and excitedly. In 1876, Graham Bell invented telephone. It has brought a tremendous prosperity and satisfaction in the world of communication. You can see here, people used to dance with telephone in their hands. Okay, but now there was a continuous growth in population and telephone was not sufficient for interchanging huge data. In 1936, when the population of the world was approximately 2 billion, television broadcasting was started. The television has retained its importance even in the current age. Television is the rich source for every aspect of education and global understanding. Television has played a big role in binding all the people together.